Okay, so, like, happy Easter. So, like, every Easter, my mom gets me this. It's really bright, I'm sorry. Which is a chicken, and it does something special with candy inside. And I want to show you. Okay. Come on, you can do it. And okay, no more. And every year, I think it's like the funniest thing ever. So I want to make a video of that, and I have bubblegum everywhere now. It's bubblegum, by the way. Sure, it's a delicious bubblegum. But yeah, so happy Easter. I didn't have a great Easter. I had my wisdom teeth pulled Friday. I only had two, but they were impacted, so they were under the gum. So they had to like, still going. They had to like cut open my gum and like dig down and they'd take off some of the jawbone because it was stuck up against some, like, this is my teeth, this is my jawbone, stuck up against the jawbone, so they'd take some of that off so I could pull it out. It was only like 15 minutes long, so it wasn't that bad, and I was out. I don't know if you can see, I have a lovely colored bruise from the anesthetic, and I'm a bit yellow. It's, yeah. I'm healing. I'm doing good. Yeah. Short update, because it's kind of sunny outside. Yeah, I think my cat's about to make a debut. Oh, okay, this is Tonto. He doesn't like cameras, apparently. But that's all. Easter candy and teeth and shy Tonto. Hi.